Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today we will be seeing how to prepare Dudhiya palya orva pitti ghanu ukkari. Dudhiya palya is pumpkin leaf and orva pitti is rice flour. So today we are going to see how to prepare pumpkin leaf rice flour ukkari or curry. Usually, this curry is served as a side dish along with rice. It is usually prepared from leaves alone, but if you have buds in between or if you have one or two flowers, then you can use them for the preparation of the dish. Coming to the ingredients: 1 bunch of pumpkin leaves, 1 tablespoon rice flour, salt to taste, water as required. For seasoning, oil as required for seasoning, a small spoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon red chilli powder. Wash the leaves. Remove the veins of the leaves. Just pulling them from the stalk will remove the veins. You will get threads after pulling. Discard them. If you have flower buds, then remove the portion marked in the photograph. If you have just 1 or 2 flowers, then you can even add them also. For this, remove the same portion that you have removed from the buds in the flowers also. Along with that, remove the anther in the center of the flower. That is marked with the arrow. Now, cut the leaves, flowers and buds into small pieces and keep them aside. Since this is with pumpkin leaf, the major quantity should be that of the leaf. Now preparing the curry. Firstly, heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds, and when they splutter, lower the flame and add red chilli powder. Saute for a second. Then add the cut leaves along with the buds and flowers. Mix well. Add water so that the leaves remain dipped in water. Cover and cook. Once done, add the rice flour to the leaves and mix well. Need not evaporate the leftover water. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw flavor of rice goes off. The dish will not be dry, it will be of semi-thick consistency. Your dish is ready to be served. Serve hot or warm. It actually tastes good when it is hot. Thank you for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.